You kind of got to get in the right phase. If you get it...
Don't stop yet. Don't stop.
Now step. There you go. Oh, no, other way. Now step. Oh. Once you get in the groove, it's good. There she goes. Work smarter, not harder. No, wait. Yep. And then you do that and you're in big trouble. I don't know if I got any of that on video, but woo! The lift. Wow. Isn't that crazy? Oh, this is a nice view of the coasters and everything. Yeah, I'm gonna sneak through here. Alright. There comes the tilting area. I love these so much. Oh yeah, how's your epilepsy? Oh my gosh. What the heck? Yeah, I don't know, man. I got my camera bag with me too. Alright, wish us luck. Hey. So what do these do? Oh my gosh, those move. Look at these steps. They fold. Oh, those are evil. Oh my gosh. Those are crazy. Oh. And the floors. Thank you. Oh Lord. Like, yeah. You're stumbling around like you're drunk. Stairs. Every one is a different size and a different height. Hey, outside. Suspension bridges. Oh, it's a lovely view here though. Oh, I gotta stop. Sorry for the door. Nose. Ew. Oh my gosh. stairs. Oh, it's dark. I can't see. Oh, hello. Oh, trippy. Oh, it doesn't show up in the video. It's a spinning barrel, but it's very dark. Oh boy. Good luck. I'm going to hurt myself trying to video, so I'm going to go around this way. Taking the chicken exit. Slanted stairs. Big stairs. Angled stairs. Oh, and they're all uneven. Oh, lordy. Oh, the Hall of Mirrors. Oop. Bumped into myself. That's in there. Mystery Hill. Yeah, things that don't really work on video. The angle. Yeah, here we go. Now you can maybe appreciate the angle. Yeah, if I shoot it that way. In the pad. Oh, I can't stop. That's a little scary. Oh my gosh.
Let me keep our hands and feet and everything else inside. Are you ready, guys?
Good luck. That's crazy.
And you can jump a little bit backwards.
Back. Yep.
Wonderful. And then we keep our hands, the legs, and everything else inside.
Yes.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Are you sure?
No.
As sure as can be.
All right.
Have a nice time.
Thank you. Oh, this drop. Ooh. And there's an on-ride photo. Ooh, hello. That's crazy. There's a good dip to it. Thank you. Eat. That's wild. Crazy. Crazy.